subscribe button, but I gotta hurry up because I'm on my break for work, and yeah, so let me hurry up. So on my lunch earlier, because I work at home, I took me a good old shower and I shaved, and let me tell y'all my routine to make your kitty look good, because let me tell y'all, I was using Nair at one point in time, and Nair doesn't work. And for some reason, somehow, you still get you some ingrown hairs. And one day I did it, and then the next day I had 2 ingrown hairs bumps, and they were big and they were hurting like so bad. I was so fucking mad, excuse the language. I don't usually cuss, but I was so mad. So I just started, doing my research. I was like, this shit gotta go. So I did my research. And my skin is really sensitive, so I was like reading like stuff like hardcore, because I don't need my stuff breaking out any more than what it is with these ingrowns. So I came up with this little thing, and y'all, it works. I've been doing it for like, I think a month, and y'all, I'm loving how my kitty cat is looking, and like, it is smooth too. Like, I'm loving it. Everything about it. So let's get into it. Let me tell y'all, I went back to shaving because like, I'm still kind of scared to get a wax down there. I'm really scared. But until that happens, I'm going to still do this. People say don't shave, but like, my kitty's looking good right now, so I don't really care. So what I use is this bikini gel. It's for sensitive skin, okay? This is the generic one. I got this at Dollar Tree, and it was for $1. You can get the real one at Walmart. I think it's called like Bikini Zone or something like that. It looks just like this, and they work the same, okay? You rub it, and it's for sensitive skin. It says moisturizing formula won't irritate sensitive skin, and that's what I needed. So you rub it everywhere where you're gonna shave, even on the creases in between your vajayjay, and then you shave. Then after that, you don't have to do this part, but I want to do it, and I think it's because I really just like the smell of it, and like it's just, I don't know, it's like a cooling feeling. I use this tea tree cleanser. It's like a daily cleanser. I don't know if it's for your face or whatever, but like it's natural, so I think it can just really go anywhere. I got this at Dollar Tree too. I just put it on the top surface of my vajayjay, not down here anywhere close by the hole, because look, you don't want to be burning with no soap down there. So yeah, I do that, but you don't have to do that. You can really skip that. Then after I do that, I go in with this bar of soap. Okay, you see this bar of soap? Have y'all heard of Palmer's cocoa butter? Okay, that's the lotion. They also have a bar of soap that is for discoloration and dark spots. I got this in a cream, but like I didn't like the way the cream was feeling all, and yeah, I left the cream alone. So I get this, okay? I rub it on the top surface of my vajayjay, because that's like what's visible when you take your panties off, okay? Rub it on the top surface, okay? And then I get something to put in my hand and rub it on the top surface some more, and I put it in between the creases, and then I rub in between my thighs as well. And then I wash it off. Then after that, you get your scrub, okay? Now look, I made this myself. If you don't make it yourself, then you need to get you one that has turmeric in it, specifically because turmeric is what's going to help lighten your skin. It's like a natural ingredient that lightens, helps with discoloration. But yeah, if you're gonna make it yourself, make sure you make it like in the sink, like somewhere in the kitchen or something, because turmeric stains. And like, yeah, y'all, like I have my whole, I don't know, be careful. Like when you put it in a bathtub, make sure when you see, if you see it drop on the ground, and you make this at home, you see it drop on the ground, get it off now, like do something, like, because like y'all, I kid you not, my whole bathtub is damn near yellow. I don't know how to get them turmeric stains out, but like, yeah, like it has spots, like it's yellow spots in the corners from this, because like this was actually leaking in the bathroom. And that's what I get for getting this at Dollar Tree. If you're gonna make it yourself, make sure you get you a secure container, because like after I took a shower and everything was close tight, because sugar, I washed it off and everything. And whenever I got into the shower the next day, it was just like everywhere at the bottom, and like it's sticky on the outside too. So like this ain't a good thing. So like I said, make sure you get you a secure one. I'll put down in the description box how I make this. But honey, after you rub this on there, honey, your kitty cat is gonna be like so smooth. After I used it the first time, I was like, whoa, girl, like it was smooth. Like, you rub it on the tippity top, like I told you, in them creases. I don't really rub it between my thighs because of the way it makes my skin feel after. I don't want my thighs feeling like that. But I do rub it all the way to the back, but I make sure I don't get it in my hole because we don't want nothing going in our hole that has no business going in there. We don't want to be burning. So, like I said, be very careful and just, you know, rub it in. If you like, I can say that if you have sensitive skin, make sure you add a little bit more water or essential oils in it. I preferably put tea tree oil in it. And I did some lavender oil just like for a scent, but like people say you should use vitamin E, but this works just fine for me, honey. And so, yeah, if you have sensitive skin, add more water and oil. I do, so I made my scrub a little bit more soft. If you got tough skin down there, then you can have put less in there and then rub it, and yeah, you're gonna be good. Then the last step. Let me tell you about this shit right here. Like, I have to cuss on this one because once I put this on and like everything, like y'all, I would never like, oh my gosh, let me just go on and show y'all because like I love this and like I'm almost out. It is called, correct me if I'm wrong, benzoyl peroxide gel. They have 5% and 10%. Look, I got 10% because I was tired of these bumps. So I was just like, I just need this shit to go away. So like, give me the strongest one you got. So it's like, it's an acne medication. And like, they have some, it says compared to Clean and Clear Purcell 10, I don't know. I got this at Target and it was like $3 and some change. And baby, let me tell you, I'm not even over exaggerating nothing, y'all. This shit, like when I put this down there on the bumps, I kid you not, it was gone before the week was even up. I was like, hold on. Like, I'm dead serious. So what I've been doing every single time I put a razor down there, I do all those steps and I make sure I put this on. But I put this on 3 times a day. And like, honestly, I've been using this every day, even when I don't shave, because I don't want no random bumps growing back, like, you know, coming up, because like your hair is going to start back growing. So I put it on after if you don't want to use it 3 times a day, every single day, like me, because I'm just extra, I just want my kid to be pretty. You can just do it after you shave, and then like once you see your hair start growing back, just start apply you a coat. Like 3 times a day is really what you need to do, because look at here, we need our kitties to be pretty, like, because we don't want it like that, like we don't. So yeah, y'all, I was like, I'm at work, so I need to hurry up because my break is almost up. But yeah, yeah, you guys, I was just really tired of my kitty cat looking like that. So anyways, that's all for today. And y'all already know the deal. It's the diva wear or no way, baby, period. Let me go back in here before these people try to clock me out on my break. So bye.